This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Friday, September 5th. Happy Friday. Let's cover today's session. I think I'm going to start with patting myself on the back, and I'll give evidence for those free subscribers or just listeners on Apple Podcasts or YouTube. Your handsome host recommended Broadcom at 273. That's right, on July 9th, it was part of the 40 plus balance area setups. And the next day, on podcast number 481, I covered every single chart, the setup. So I keep my receipts here. You can look at these posts. You unfortunately have to upgrade to paid to see the content. But yes, you would be up over 24% in 39 sessions. And this is just one of them. But again, I don't offer a stock picking service. I'm just teaching auction market principles and helping folks find their own setups. And when you learn my methodology, it's something that cannot be unseen, and it will help you in the long run. Even if you have a financial advisor and just grading their homework on managing your wealth. But I digress. A couple other things that I want to touch base on. Obviously, this morning we had the jobs number. Initially, futures popped because the jobs numbers was sucky, and the prevailing thought is, hey, sucky jobs means the Fed will cut. So the futures ramped on that data, but well, surprise, stock sold off pretty hard at the open around 10 o'clock, but it recovered a little bit. Most perma bulls will say, oh, we closed off the lows. It's a setup for next week. It's the same thing they said on Thursday. Oh, it was a great day. Dow was up 300 points. It was a great setup day for Friday on the jobs data. Well, as you know, I told you all yesterday, Thursday was a blowhard session, tepid volume. The only thing that was keeping the markets up was Amazon and financials. And that context broke down today. And we'll cover this. So on the NYSE, Amex, and the NASDAQ, there were 301 new highs, versus 108 new lows. 54% advanced versus 43% declined. 42% below the 50-day, and 45% below the 200-day. The Dow was down 220 points, or 0.48%. The NASDAQ was down marginally 7 points, and the S&P was down 20 points, about 0.3%. The big news today was NVIDIA being down almost 3% all day. It recovered a little bit, closing down 2.8%. Microsoft was down 2.6%. Apple did nothing. Google was up another percent. Meta 0.3%, and Tesla was up 3.4% on the back of the pay package for Elon Musk. And Broadcom, while closing up 9%, is down from its initial high. It was up much more than that in the morning session. So going through a few other things that I wanted to also cover. TrueUp.io shares tech layoffs. I suspect tech layoffs are going to accelerate into the end of the year because these companies are going to want to basically expense or write off their one-time charges for these layoffs.
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not your advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.